this poem is called Nobody's Friend. See, it starts like, she had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. He had some toffee, ate every bit of it. He had a bicycle he wouldn't let. He never let anyone play with his string. He is nobody's friend. See here, there are one girl and one boy. They never shared their toy or a food with their friends. And they were not having any friends. So let's listen one more poem, which is The Lion and the Mouse. A little mouse at a play one day did on the lion creep, and tickling him as it ran off, disturbed him in his sleep. The lion wakened and seized the mouse and would have crushed it quite, had not the little mouse implored, "Forgive me, Lord of might, I did not mean to give offense. Oh, spare my life this day, and I shall ever try my best thy kindness to repay." The lion laughed and set it free, and went to look for the prey. He got caught in the net and could not get away. He tried in a vain to free himself from the man ensnaring rope, when to him came the little mouse and told him to have a hope. It slowly bite with its small teeth the rope that made of net, till one by one the cords gave way and freed the lion set. This shows that we should not despise the humblest thing that lives. The strongest at some time may need the help a poor man gives. So this is about the lesson, the three friends and nobody's friends.